Hello, this is Marie from SalterFineCutlery, and Greg has made this lovely little box. It's solid curly koa wood. You can see the pattern, lots of curl. It changes as you go around it. It changes how you hold it or look at it from the angles you look at it. The colors will change from golds to light browns. This box can be used as a jewelry box. It could be used as a small valet box for men. For ladies, you could easily use it for a special memorabilia, some special photos, memories, a memory box, index files for recipes. There's just so many uses for it. I think anybody would love it. I think a lady would love it. I know a senior would probably really love it because it's easy to open and close. You don't have to fiddle with anything. You just lift it off. You're sometimes looking for a gift for grandma or grandpa. This would be really nice. You could set their grandpa could set his watch and his rings or whatever he has in there in the evening. If small enough that it fits in the kitchen, it looks nice in the kitchen. It doesn't wobble around or anything. It is also really great size for the bedroom. You can, or just as a decorative piece in some sort of a cabinet. Lovely little box. Again, solid curly koa wood, 4A curly koa wood, and a great gift. And thank you for watching.